guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV and this is Vlogmas day 6, right? So we're at day 6 of Vlogmas. Guys, continue to watch the videos. So today's video is just like a short clothing haul. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all the clothes that I have in this type of material. I think it's called wool. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Remember guys, if you are going through the video and not subscribed, a little part of my face kind of swell up, but gotta keep that go down. So subscribe if you guys are not already subscribed. Let's get the channel to 30,000. So I hope you guys like this video that I'm going to be giving you guys today, so stay tuned. This guys is outfit number 1. Tell me what you think about outfit number 1, guys. Outfit number 1, it's a green and yellow. When me buy this, me did think me that get the Jamaica flag in the middle, but me end up get the star, but I wanted a Jamaican flag, but maybe me never read the description properly. That is the thing guys, when you're buying these things off Shein, read the descriptions so that you get exactly what you're expecting. But tell me guys, it's really nice. It's a nice 2-piece bathing suit. It's a nice 2-piece and you can wear a black bra underneath it or anything you want to do with it. So tell me guys what you think about my outfit number 1. Yeah. Okay guys, this is outfit number 2. So yeah guys, me show you all of the outfit that I buy to do YouTube video in. So right, it's a altar back then call them though, the altar back, and it's shorts. I really love the style because it's 2-piece. That 2-piece you just tie the front, so I really like it. And I like the fact that the shorts high enough that it can cover, it can cover my navel. That's what I love about it the most. Like, it's really beautiful and I love the material. It's really stretchy guys. I have worn this at least 3 times and it still looks new. So that the material is stretchy and it's beautiful. Yeah, you can wear a bra without it to nasty your nipple. So you see that guys, you can go without a bra. Yeah, and it fits really good, really nice. So yeah guys, that is outfit number 2. Remember guys to tell me what you think of the outfits and if you which one of them you feel like fits my body better and so forth, which I feel like all of them fits me well. Anyway guys, so that's outfit number 2. I'm going to put on outfit number 3 for you guys. Yeah, so outfit number 3, it's a similar design to the one that I just showed you guys, but I think it fits a little bit more smaller. See, it doesn't cover the back. The other one kind of cover the back more. So yeah, this is outfit number 3. Yeah, so this is it guys. I think this is gonna be my Christmas outfit, what I'm gonna cook my Christmas dinner. It depends. So, and as me telling you guys, the materials are really nice. It's not so stretchy like the other one, but it's really nice. I like it. It's beautiful, pretty. Guys, outfit number 4, right? So now I go say me love the outfit here. Yeah, I like them. It's similar. So me hurry up guys, the back not fix good. But it's supposed to lay down over the whole of my back. So yeah. Let's see if it don't fix good. I'm gonna take it off. So anyway guys, it's the same thing like the brown one when I show you. Yeah guys, I'm gonna get some more. So cut a lot more. I feel like more all of them in every color. So this is the white and it's kind of tight. It's kind of tighter than the brown one, and I think it and the brown one are the same size. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure, but I think are the same size them. As you guys see, it's beautiful material guys, beautiful material, and I'm telling you, stretch nice. Just if you not just want to wear like a simple bathing suit, go to the beach, I feel like this look, make it look dressy and put that one nice cut on your foot and you're good to go. Let me say the back yourself fix. So anyway guys, tell me this is outfit number 4.